welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey everyone, welcome back to Project Melanin Beauty. We are on our last video. We didn't quite make it to 28. We got up to 26 women, which is fabulous. And we are going out with a bang with this gorgeous tropical look that I'm going to do on the lovely Nikita here. And as you can see, I'm already applying some foundation and blending out with my Real Technique sponge. Then I'm going to go in now with a little bit of HD foundation in a lighter shade, and I'm just applying that to the center of her face to highlight, and then I'm going to blend that out with my sponge as well. Moving on, I'm going in with my HD translucent powder, one of my favorites, and I'm going to set her makeup, and this is going to lock everything in place and give her a nice, flawless, smooth finish. Alright, so now we're going to contour. I am chiseling out her cheekbones with a little contour powder, and now I'm going to highlight the center of her face. So I'm highlighting under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, the forehead, and the chin. Going into blush, I'm going in with Tropicana. It's a really pretty shimmery orange with gold specks in it. I really love this blush, and I'm also applying it to the eyes. So I'm going to define Nikita's brows with our brow pencil in Brunette. She has lovely brows, and we're just going to define the tail of the brow, and then we're going to set it with our brow mascara. I'm going back into the contour and highlight palette, and I'm using the highlight shade under the brow to highlight and to define her brows some more. And to define her eyes, I'm going in with gel pencil black Caviar, and we're going to do a slight wing. And in her waterline, I'm using a nude pencil to really open up her eyes and make them nice and bright. To finish off the eyes, I'm going in with Intense Lash Mascara, and I'm applying a couple of coats. And on the lips, I'm going in with our lip liner in Naked, which is a really pretty, soft, I would say like a taupe brown. And I'm just going to line her lips with that. And now I'm going in with a new lipstick called Love Letter. Really pretty, soft, peachy tone.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is cool. I should be a bride. Sorry. So arrogant. Oh, wow. This is how they look on like Real Housewives of Atlanta. When they do like their little like, okay, so here's the situation. Here's the tea. I'm just trying to be nice to everybody. Oh, I love it. I love this. This is like I can pull this off for Black Panther. Ooh, thanks, Nicole. What makes me confident in my own skin is actually what I've overcome in my life. I feel that through my personal experiences, the trials, the tribulations, that is what makes me comfortable in my own skin. Although I may not feel it all the time, I know that God has instilled a purpose in me, and that is what gives me strength, peace, and comfort. I like the diversity that comes with being a Black woman. And in fact, I feel because of the mixture that exists, whether you're Jamaican, Caribbean, from Trinidad, from the DRC, anywhere in the world actually, you are mixed blood. Therefore, you can't go wrong. And I feel that I have yet to see a fellow black woman that is not beautiful. What is there to not notice? There's beautiful bone structure, there's beautiful skin tones, no one tone is the same. And that's why I love being unique and not fitting into a specific mold. I would tell my 12-year-old self today that, Kiki, you are beautifully and wonderfully made by God. You will, however, be a little tardy in blooming because of your passion for sports. But the reality is, what they taught you in bio class and elementary class isn't quite the truth about the human body changing as a woman. Your body's going to constantly change. You don't like it right now? Well, by the time you get used to it, it's going to change again. The skin, your oil on your skin, your hair, your nails, everything, your feature, where you carry your weight. So if you don't like something about yourself, you got to learn to embrace it, because the next stage is a whole new adjustment. You are constantly evolving and changing. And what I find is that you need to embrace the change and be able to look in the mirror and put the sticky note on your mirror if you need to for those tough days, that you are beautifully and wonderfully made, and that you will have to reacquaint yourself with your body every few years.